It's the first meeting of the Pomaderris Environment Trust project. It's been a real eye-opener because we've pulled together a whole lot of partners involved in the project and some stakeholders who are going to help us out. We've been able to nut out how we prioritise what species we're targeting and the potential to be able to deliver a better outcome for not just the threatened species of Pomaderris, but for conservation more broadly in Australia. This is our first Pomaderris collection trip for the project. Thank you all for coming today as part of the project team. We're here in Merimbula to collect Pomaderris bodalla.
What we really want to get nailed down is the method. If we don't all get this right, it can undermine the values of the science. So a hand lens, know your plant first. If you've got questions or you're not sure, take a herbarium specimen.
Irrespective of cuttings or seed, each event has a new collecting date and a new collecting number. So if you're doing cuttings today but doing seed collecting in December, they are different events and different collecting numbers.
So that's about the right size. You can see we've got several buds there, plenty of leaf material. So
Pomaderris is a genus that is unique to Australia and New Zealand. But our focus for this particular project are the rare and threatened Pomaderris from pretty much exclusively New South Wales and a few just going into Victoria.
There's a few other things to consider when collecting seed. We're just looking for an appropriate spot to put it where we're likely to get the best bunch of flowers and fruit, which is just somewhere up in here.
At the end of 3 years, we're hoping to have some outcomes for specific species as part of this project. It's early days, but I reckon with this pool of expertise as part of the project, we will have a better understanding of Pomaderris more generally.
Conservation work we're doing here is new to me, and it's an exciting project that we've been asked to share in, so that's really good.
In our region we have a few Pomaderris that are endangered that we're starting to work on in a partnership with these other people to help conserve them, and the ultimate goal is to get them planted back out in the wild.
A lot of the populations the plants are quite old, and we're quite keen to see recruitment. They're also quite vulnerable to disturbance, being small populations in an urban area, so we'd like to engage the community in part of the conservation as well, which is I see is very important.
Working botanically with wild provenance plants that are growing locally in the area is something that I'm very passionate about, and when you come from Kew in London, yes, you've got an amazing collection there, but you haven't got all the wild flora directly on your doorstep.
Today's been really helpful, just looking at the way people do things and what we're expected to do, and so we all keep doing things in the same way and have the right methods. It's really good.
We've got some delicious cutting material from that particular example. Look at that lovely new growth there, fantastic. So it's been a good collecting event today. As you can see, there's a full esky to take home, full of wonderful cuttings that hopefully will turn into plants back at the nursery.